Uncle Michael's out here crying about losing his work gloves, and the beauty is, you don't really work that hard, so what do you need gloves for? Afraid of getting a hangnail? A blister? You worry about a blister, Uncle Michael? A mani-pedi he'll get. It shouldn't. They're selling a nice 2007 Dodge 3500 diesel at my place for 26 something right now.
26,000.
It looks nicer than mine. It's a 2007.
Come on. Fuck camera, let's go.
Silver?
Yeah.
Here, let's hold off on this. Want to be silver? No. Hey, try to keep it organized. Like, put all the jewelry in that Macy's bag.
All right.
Yeah, I already know exactly what's in there, just like the other ones I got.
Oh, that lady just paid me the other $10 today.
What lady's that, Uncle Mike?
The one I sold the costume jewelry to.
Yeah, she came back. She tried to give me 5. It was all garbage. I was like, you shouldn't have agreed to it then.
Didn't you? Stick it to her unit, put it on her table.
No. Silver.
This real.
$5.
It's George. I mean, what's the talking? You gotta go down there.
Yeah, I'll put this back here real quick. Pull this out. The drawer. Slide that out, Uncle Mike. Pictures.
You want to touch the link?
Oh, if you want.
Costume.
Here, put this with the jewelry.
Where's the top at? Top over there?
Slow down, Hot Rod.
There's gold.
This guy, like, just never seems to understand. We got
I don't.
the element of surprise. There's no surprise if you go look in there and then we go in there, we don't have the same enthusiasm and we open it first, you know? You understand?
No.
We'll try to. That's gold, that little necklace right there that weighs about a half a gram. Geneva, nothing gold. No. No. Crap. Alright. Put it in your bag. Ooh, QVC bag.
All fall out on it.
Careful. Oh,
Bingo. Peppermill or bitter.
Let me look through this a little better. What you call
Keys, Uncle Mike. And keychains.
Clock, West clock. You like that, Alex?
I'm just a little less. There you go.
I see one possibility.
Silver right here.
I see one possibility in there.
The silver?
Well, I don't know. I'll look through it later. That looks like a silver bracelet and one really thin gold necklace in there.
Where's your pile?
Gold
Maybe.
earrings.
Yeah, it goes in this bag over here.
Gold earrings, 14K. It's like a no gram. That's like what's that? There it is. There it is. Oh, it goes gold right there. Get on it. Get on it. Oh, there it is. Get the
Might
gold
be
over
some
my.
gold. I can't see it.
Let me see. Possibility.
Alex doesn't even know this,
That's a
man.
possibility. That's a
Where's that fine
possibility
one?
right there. 10K.
Don't Michael, just leave it in there.
Yeah, watch it.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Come on, Chewie.
There goes the recording.
Joey's in there.
Starter logs. Yeah, I'm over this spot. Thank you. Yeah, starter log. There's a blanket on the bottom.
What? Alex, you're fine. Get out of here and get to my Warriors game. There we go.
There we go.
Sterling silver set.
Oh, it's heavy too. Oh, you hear that?
Let's
What
focus.
it is, Sterling Silver.
Hold it, get a good.
That's what it is.
Let's steal this.
Money.
No, it's not.
Money.
It's plated.
It's silver.
It's not silver. Let's take it anyway and sell it. Put it in the back seat.
We'll call it silver.
Nice white gold. There you go.
Why you sound like that?
Cause it's not. Look at it. It's not, I don't have to look at it. No, I don't know why you guys don't believe me.
Let's go.
No, it's not.
This is right here.
That's not gold.
That is gold.
Let's go, little Mike.
What's in there?
14K, yep.
I know what's in there. Let's not look in it. Is that over the dollar?
Yeah.
You hear
This
this
one
one?
say,
It's not gold. It's not gold.
It's
It's
too-
fake. Let's
too
go to the next
shiny.
one.
I need some. Let him put it back in.
Get the stuff back in there.
Yeah,
No, no, take this and this and this and leave that. And take that in the Alex's truck. The file cabinet's not
Silver?
coming in here right now. Okay, we're done. I already went through all that.
There's a nickel. Still more money.
It's like a quarter waiting on a nickel.
Makes sense.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, what?
I kind of got to look under, to be honest with
Yeah, the top drawer's empty. Let's do this.
There you go.
Oh,
There you go. I think it's freaking dresser or something.
was this the damn dresser? This type of shit where they died.